friends. I am Sajiri. Today we are having a debate in on teachers are better for learning or internet is better for learning. So this particular group is in favor of learning from the internet, is in favor of better learning from the internet, and this particular group is in favor of learning from teachers. So I will start with my opinion. So in my humble opinion, I think that learning from internet is better because we have a lot of resources. We can have a lot of documentaries and case studies over there which we can't get from teachers. Teachers do have a lot to teach, but they have a limited time and limited resource. We cannot just learn everything from them, but internet is a platform from where we can learn anything we want. It's any subject, it's about life lessons, it's about autobiographical books. So I guess internet is a better option for learning, you can say.
I agree with Sajari, but I think the teacher is since I want to say last means we have start the Gurukul Paddhati we start the Gurukul Paddhati, and from that Gurukul Paddhati teacher is the very best option for us, because before there were no internet available for everybody. We start the Gurukul Paddhati. In Gurukul Paddhati, teachers learn the students in a natural in surrounding of nature, and that is the best way to teach the student. I think means we today is internet based, but we can't forget the teachers value, because we start learning from teachers, and teacher means people worship the teacher, because the teacher is the best option for everybody from last many days. That's why I am in favor with teacher. Means we can't forget the teacher's value, we can't forget the teacher's devotion. We can't forget the teacher's devotion from last Gurukul Paddhati till nowadays. That's why I say I am favoring teachers.
Okay, Kavita ma'am, as you say that teachers are worshipped, there's no doubt in it and there's no debate about it. But when you learn from internet, it is, if you see the better aspect of it, it is a bit time consuming. I mean, if you want to learn from the teachers, you have to travel from your home to the school and vice versa. But with the facility of internet, you can sit in the comfort of your home, and from the comfort of your home you can learn anything that you want, not just about the school learning, life lessons, or anything that you want. So in my humble opinion, it is a bit the teacher option is a bit time consuming, because you have to travel a lot.
I agree with you. The teachers have very limitations, but except that teachers develop her or his abilities to improve himself or herself, to give the best to the students. He also learning the internets. He also learning the many things from the internet. He want to improve himself or herself by taking the internet's aspects.
Well, many of you can agree with my point. Like, sometimes we are very afraid to ask any doubt in front of the entire class. So if you have any doubt, or you are afraid to ask the doubt in front of everyone, you can simply Google it and get the results and learn from it.
Yes, but it's not a good habit.
Yes, Sajri, I agree with you. But whenever you are doing mistake, there is a teacher who motivates you, who corrects your mistake, and he will guide you the right way for correcting that mistake. But if you are using internet, then there are very much less chances. If you get wrong, there is no guru who advises you. If you are in front of teacher always motivates you, corrects you. That is the more benefit that you get from teacher. And you get direct knowledge, because every time internet is not available at all the places, because at ancient time there is no internet. There are only gurus from which students are taking their shikshas or all these things. And that is also the best option of learning. It is not necessary that if you want to learn, there internet is necessary. You can learn from guru also. That is my view.
Well, it's very easy to say that you can learn from the teacher and get, but it takes a lot of confidence, which many of students lack in. Like if somebody is lacking in confidence and he is not ready to ask the teacher that I did not understand this, and if he is not using internet too, so his doubt will not get solved. He'll be just sitting like an idiot and you know blaming the teachers and everyone.
But it is not a mistake of teacher, it is a mistake of students. Do you understand?
Yeah, I agree, but it's not something like everybody has that courage to ask the teacher that I am not getting this point, and simply you can elaborate it for me. And sometimes even after like asking the teacher so many times, the teacher too gets like irritated, and he thinks that this kid is a dumb, and he asks all the time. It is very easy to say that mistakes are actually made, but we cannot just take it in a very serious way. You can simply go to the internet and have at the comfort of your home, you can learn anything that you want without any hesitation. And I guess it will also boost some sort of confidence, some level of confidence, because you are getting lot of knowledge. Because at the teacher's point, when the student is not going to the teacher, he is not getting any knowledge.
But for everyone it is not affordable to have that recharge for his study.
Well, there is a way. When there is a will, there is a way. You can take anybody's phone and simply Google it. I mean, if you want to learn, you can learn it from anywhere and everywhere.
He also learned by books also, not a internet. If there is a facilities are available for him, he should do, means he go through the internet.
Because most of the villages don't have internet.
They don't have money.
Money also. Yes.
And in internet various sites, and there is a little difference in meanings, and then student get confused.
In
Using internet, some word meaning
very
in
difficult
other,
for
yes.
them.
And there is lots of chances of getting addicted to other sites and other
Means we depend on only internet.
Yes. Most of the
We
students
don't-
get addicted to
internet.
bad sites or anything. That is also
They get simply the notes or knowledge by the internet.
And they don't
want
have that.
to.
They don't give their 100% in studies.
They
are
want
just
to
taking
do
knowledge
something
from
or do
internet.
more efforts for the study.
Yes.